Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to explore the British Council Great Scholarship, which is for studying higher education in UK. So if you are planning to pursue your masters or PhD in UK in the top universities, then this scholarship opportunity is definitely for you. Let's go to our computer screen and explore the eligibility criteria and all the details about Great Scholarship. Stay tuned. Before starting the video, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates regarding scholarships, fellowships, internships and exchange programs abroad. So let us go to the official website of Great Scholarship StudyinUK, British Council, where you can access all the details about this scholarship program. So Great Scholarship offers students from 14 countries the opportunity to have 10,000 UK sterlings towards their tuition fees for a wide range of one-year taught postgraduate programs. So in the 2023-24 academic year, 200 scholarships are offered by 49 universities across England, Wales, Scotland and Ireland. So Great Scholarship is offered for a long list of countries involving 14 countries, where we have Bangladesh, China, Egypt, Ghana, Kenya, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Thailand, Turkey and Vietnam. So if you belong to one of these nationalities, do access all the information about Great Scholarship and prepare your application according to the requirements mentioned for your own country. So today we are going to discuss about Pakistan. So we'll simply click on Pakistan and see what are the requirements to apply for Great Scholarship if you are applying from Pakistan. For rest of the countries, you can access the information. All the requirements are pretty much similar, so you don't need to worry. You can follow this video and prepare your application accordingly. So here you can see the list of universities that are eligible to apply for Pakistani students. Here is Arts University, Bournemouth, Cardiff University, Goldsmith, University of London, Imperial College of London, Keele University, Nottingham, Trent University, University of Manchester, University of Bath, Birmingham, Derby, Essex, Kent, Leeds, Strathclyde, University of York, Cranfield University, Robert Gordon University. So there is a long list of universities where you can find your program of interest and prepare your application for the Great Scholarship. So we will see one of these universities and how the application process goes in the later part of this video. Before that, we will see what are they looking for in the Great Scholars. So they should be a citizen of Pakistan, as I'm looking forward to the particular requirements related to Pakistan. So here you can also consider the citizenship of your eligible country if you belong to the 14th of them. Have an undergraduate degree, be motivated, have an interest in the proposed subject area, meet the English language requirements, establish an engagement with the UK as a scholar through personal and academic fulfillment. So regarding the English language requirements, it depends on the university in which you are applying and the program of your interest. Be willing to attend a networking event of all UK based great scholars to discuss experience and capture perceptions of studying in the UK. So the best part of applying in such scholarship programs is that after the completion of your degree, you become an alumni of that project and you keep on interacting with the people in that particular network that pave ways for more opportunities in the future as well. Be willing to maintain contact with the British Council and their HEI and act as an ambassador for the Great Scholarship. As an alumnus of the Great Scholarship, be willing occasionally to speak to potential candidates about their own experience of studying in the UK. How to apply? Visit the university page and find out all the details about your relevant program of interest. Apply for individual scholarships following the instructions given on each university's scholarship webpage. We will see the webpage of one of the universities mentioned above. The deadline to apply for a Great Scholarship varies according to the institution, so you need to abide by the timeline of your particular institution. Successful scholars will be informed by individual universities on the result of their applications. Scholarship funding will be issued to successful scholars by individual university after registration. So here are the terms and conditions of this scholarship for Pakistani students. We can have a look at this also. So there are some terms and conditions in order to apply. You need to Scholarship will be open only to the target country passport holders. As we have mentioned earlier, the 14 nationalities are eligible. The scholarship can only be used towards tuition fees, so the 10,000 UK sterlings will be given to you in terms of tuition fee. UK HEIs should award the scholarship by 30th June 2023, so you will be finalized if you are a winner of the scholarship by 30th June 2023. The StudyinUK team must be informed of any other scholarships awarded to a great scholar in the same academic year. The profile of a great scholar below outline the requirements of the scholarship and should be used for reference. So the great scholar is expected to have the citizenship of the target country, have an undergraduate degree, and willing to pursue the postgraduate degree in UK, be motivated and academically able to follow and benefit the UK postgraduate program, be active in the field and have an ample amount of experience in the relevant field, meet the English language requirements, be willing to embody the UK higher education experience, be willing to establish an engagement with the UK as a scholar, represent the high standards of great brand by becoming an advocate for scholarships, be willing to attend events and participate in other activities, be willing to demonstrate future contribution to capacity building and socio-economic advancement in the UK, be willing to maintain contact with BritishCouncil, be an alumni of great scholarships. So these are very easy to go terms and conditions for the scholarship program. So moving forward, we can find out our program of interest in one of the universities. So let us see the website of one of these universities to have an idea how the application process will go. So all of you must have known the name Imperial College of London, which is one of the finest university or institution in UK. So when we open this, the Great Scholarship at Imperial College London website will open, and here they are mentioning how much seats are available for this year. So 8 great scholarships are offered in Imperial College of London, and each nationality will receive one scholarship. So from Pakistan, one student will be awarded this great scholarship. Why Imperial? Imperial is among the top 10 universities globally ranked. So it is one of the finest institutions you can choose to pursue your higher studies abroad. So there are 3 sections: engineering, natural sciences and medicine. So if you belong to one of these subject areas, you can explore their website and prepare your application. So apply for a great scholarship at Imperial College of London. So we will click here to find out more how the application process goes. So yes, here we are redirected to the Great Imperial College London Scholarship. Here you can find out the introduction again and the eligible countries and the number of scholarships. So the Great Scholarship, if they receive an offer to study at Imperial College by Monday 13th 2023. Okay, so coming towards the eligibility, again you should be the citizen of these countries, have been classified as overseas for fee status, apply for 1 year full-time master's course, have received an offer of admission to study for a 1 year full-time master's course from the Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Medicine, Faculty of Natural Sciences, Business School or Science Communication Unit by Monday 13th 2023. So you need to get an admission offer before 13th March 2023 in order to be considered to apply for Great Scholarship this year. Be available to commence your academic studies in the UK by the start of the UK academic year in September-October 2023. You are not eligible if you hold dual British citizenship. You apply for an MBA course. Your course is in an online distance learning program. The duration of the course is longer than 1 year. So this scholarship is only offered for a 1 year master's program. Additional requirements, you can check out the additional requirements here. How to apply? Apply for 1 year full-time master's course at Imperial College of London and receive an admission offer letter before 13th March 2023. and eligible candidates will be invited to apply for the scholarship. So you will get an invitation to be considered to apply for great scholarship. So the great scholarship at Imperial College of London is worth 11,000 UK sterlings for these nationalities and 15,000 UK sterling for Indian citizens. How many scholarships are available? So there are total 8 scholarships available in this institution. Also, the timeline of application varies institution to institution. So uh, the application timeline will be followed depending on the institution you are applying from. Outcome of the award, you will receive the final outcome of your successful applicants by mid-June 2023. So it is a quite quick process. If you have any queries, you can contact them on this email ID. And yes, so the application process will be online. First you need to get the admission offer, and then you will be considered to apply for great scholarship program. So this was all about the great scholarship. It is one of the very fine opportunities. Even if you can't meet the timeline this year, you can prepare for the next year. Every year the scholarship is offered, and the application requirements are pretty much similar, so you can prepare ahead of time before the scholarship program if you are keen to study in UK for your higher education. With that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.